Hi guys, welcome back into Designer for NBS sharpening machines. Today I am going to show you how to upload our programs into the sharpening machine. Recently we made the program for constant and for vario pitch, so we will use one by one and I will show you how to do that. So the first thing I need to do, as usual, make sure that I have correctly selected my machine type. So we made the programs for NBS 300 with this setting. So now the setting is done, like you can see here in the capture menu, and the programs are stored in shape 8, so I need to switch this to. Then I can go File, Open, select current shape to be opened. Here is my file, shape 8, which contains all programs under shape 8. So now I can open it. It will tell me that he will basically rewrite all from 0 up to 9 programs. So I just confirm, and my constant pitch is here. It's pitch 45. Here I can see it. I can name it my const 805. And now we need to connect to the machine. So basically you must go to machine, and once it's connected to the network, you must display the IP address which is connected on the machine. So I have done this before, so I already have this information here. So when I press identify, it will show me the machine type, software version and its serial number. So now I am connected to the machine, and this program, which is made in shape 8 and the level 5, which is basically 805 program, I can directly send to the machine. So I can use this function send and generate current tooth. Before I will do that, I must prepare the machine for the loading the program. So if I have everything in one place, I am standing in front of the machine, then I can do it, but now I am sitting in office, so I am using this tool which is called QSKDM Remote Display. So now I am also connected to the machine and I see the screen and I can control it. So I go to program library on the machine, SHIFT library. There is a memory of current programs. I can list and show them, edit them, whatever I need. In order to send the program from to Designer, I must press Shift and Insert, and here is the screen which is waiting for external command for uploading programs. Now go back to the Designer, go Machine, Send, and I can send only current tooth, which will create the program parametrical, which I can later edit, but I want to create it and also create the CNC code that we can immediately use. So I will choose send and generate current tooth. After this is done, I can go back. Here is written done OK on the machine, and if I just by escape quit this upload, I can already see the program in library. So I can either select it, here is written, and I can start to work on the machine. I can also check if the program is correct, so I go back to Shift, Library, press 8, 5, and I am in the program. So as you can see, the pitch is 45, here is also 45, the depth of tooth, angle, and so on. So I can change parameters. I can go by insert and enter, recreate the program. So basically this is how you upload the constant pitch into the machine. The opposite way is that I can also get it from the machine. So I can look here, I have under shape 1, I have also some parameters from last time, but in the machine there is already program 801. So what I can do is that I can go the machine, receive current tooth, and it loaded the parameters. So in the machine again, Shift, Library, 8, 1, enter, and I have here 35, 11.6, 24, back angle 14.7. So easy, you can manage with programs backwards and forwards. So the constant pitch was uploaded, and now we can have a look on the Vario profile, how it's done. So the machine is still connected, is selected correct the machine type. So I go to open my Vario tooth which we created recently. Here is the file, so I go and open it. So here in the section of Vario I can again see the order of teeth. Here I need to enter, let's say, number of groups 30. I will name it like my Vario, enter, or no need. Then I will just zoom on the Vario tooth that we can check the order of teeth. We will check in grinding parameters that all 3 teeth are correct. So the Vario file contains the order of teeth, and also it contains all used shapes. So the first one has these sharpening parameters, and especially these radiuses of tool, which is the most important thing. And this must be same for all three teeth. So as you can see, nothing changed when I am changing from 1 to 3 profile. All setting is the same, so that all 3 teeth will be sharpened by same grinding or technological parameters. So back to Vario setting. So the name, number of teeth is correct. I will need to prepare the machine for upload, so I will use my remote tool. I press Shift, Library. Here is already one Vario file, so I must create, let's say, 902 program in order to keep the old one. So Shift, Insert, the command for reading information from ToolDesigner. And in ToolDesigner I can finally go and send Vario to the CNC. It will send only CNC code to the machine, so once it is done, you cannot modify it in machine, only here into designer and then re-upload again. So here you need to select the program number, hit OK, and it's done. Here is the confirmation message. By escape I go back, and here is already the program. I can select it by enter, and I am ready to work with Vario. By Shift library I can just double check again this program was there, this program also, and here will be the my Vario. Okay, that's it. Very simple, very quick. Thank you for watching.